MusoSoup for Musicians' Honest Review. Watch before using. MusoSoup is a platform designed to help independent musicians get their music featured on blogs, playlists, and other media outlets. It promises to simplify PR by connecting artists with content creators who are genuinely interested in promoting their work. At its core, MusoSoup offers a streamlined process. You submit your music, and approved tracks become available for curators to review. The platform claims to save time by cutting out the need for cold emailing and handling submissions manually. But does it deliver? Here's the breakdown. One of MusoSoup's standout features is its pay-per-campaign model. Instead of traditional PR services charging hefty monthly retainers, MusoSoup only charges a small fee for tracks that are accepted by their system. However, there's a catch. Once your music is live on the platform, curators can request additional payments for reviews, playlist placements, or features. While this might seem fair for curators' time, it can quickly add up, making it less budget-friendly for emerging artists. The platform is easy to use and integrates well with distribution services like Spotify and Apple Music. The interface is intuitive, allowing you to track campaign progress and see who's engaging with your music. However, the quality of the curators varies. While some are legitimate bloggers and playlist managers, others may not offer much value, with low-quality placements or little audience reach. This inconsistency makes the ROI on MusoSoup campaigns unpredictable. Who is MusoSoup best for? It's ideal for musicians who are willing to invest in targeted exposure and have the budget to experiment. If you're looking for guaranteed results, this platform may fall short. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, and success largely depends on the quality of your music and your ability to sift through. The curator offers to find genuinely valuable opportunities. The biggest downside is the paywall nature of the platform. While it's great for connecting artists to media opportunities, the additional fees can feel exploitative, especially for new musicians with limited funds. On the flip side, MusoSoup does offer transparency. You can decide which opportunities to accept or decline, giving you some control over your campaign's direction. In conclusion, MusoSoup can be a useful tool if approached strategically, but it's not without its flaws. Musicians must weigh the costs versus the potential benefits and be cautious of curators offering low-value placements. If you're willing to navigate its complexities, MusoSoup could boost your exposure, but don't expect it to be a magic solution for your PR needs.